Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Magento for e-commerce success, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your hosting environment. Ensure your server meets the system requirements for Magento. Download the latest version of Magento from the official website. Upload the Magento files to your server using FTP or your hosting control panel. Create a new MySQL database through your hosting provider's control panel. Make note of your database name, username, and password. Open your web browser and navigate to your Magento installation URL. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up the Magento installation wizard. Select your preferred language and click Next. Check the system requirements and click Continue. Enter your database connection details, including the host, database name, username, and password. Click Next to proceed to the web configuration section. Input your store name, admin email, and password. Choose the default currency, time zone, and unit of measure. Click Next to configure the installation. Select your desired theme and click Next. Review your installation settings and click Install Now. Wait for the install. Once done, access the Magento admin panel using the URL provided. Log in with the admin credentials you just created. Familiarize yourself with the Magento dashboard layout. Navigate to the Stores section to manage product attributes and categories. Create product attributes that are essential for your store. Set up product categories to organize your inventory. Add products by going to the catalog and selecting products. Fill in the necessary details for each product, including name, price, and description. Upload product images to enhance your listings. Set inventory options such as stock levels and backorder settings. Configure pricing rules and promotions in the marketing section. Set up payment gateways under the store's menu to accommodate various payment methods. Go to Shipping to configure shipping methods and rates for your customers. Ensure the checkout process is streamlined and user-friendly. Customize your store's design through the Content section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.